Bath and Body is really festive, aren't they?
They have a peach ball the candle. And it's right here. Bianca, is the peach candle in it?
Yo, they try to tell me that I'm tripping, got the mind of a winner. You don't know the difference, see the hate up in your eyes, little buddy, what you sipping? Oh, you think I'm out of bounds? Then go ahead, blow the whistle, I can't help but turn the heat up. Let 'em watch me sizzle, try to figure me out, that's a complicated riddle. Got an outside game, and I still can work the middle.
So what's going on, all my frag heads and said heads? The champ is here, and I'm about to tell you what's fragging. So your boy spent a little bit of cash, wanted to get the Christmas shopping out the way for all the ladies in my life, right? What better place than Bath and Body Works? They had a hell of a deal. Couldn't pass it up. Smelled most of these, and I liked them. I just hope they like them. But I wanted to do a quick, I guess, unboxing, if you will. And then I'll probably do a first impressions later. So let's start with some fragrances. I know a couple of these are the same. But let's start with Forever Red Fine Fragrance Mist. I really like this one. Let's see if you guys can see that. What I like most about this scent is that it's peony and pomegranate. You get that. Now here are the notes in here. As you can see. So it says Fury pomegranate, red peony, rich vanilla rum, and oak wood. This smells really good, y'all. Like, it's real fruity. You can't see me smelling it, but I'm spraying it in here and smelling it. It's red and juicy. Forever Red is the right name for it. It's juicy, it's sweet, it's sugary. I don't get the rum note really. Let me see. Let me try this again. No, I don't get rum. But I definitely get the floral and the fruitiness and the sweetness of the, oh, it's rich vanilla rum. Ah, rich vanilla rum. Makes sense. I like that one. I really like that one, ladies. So we're going to sit that there. See what else we got. All right. Same fragrance. So I got two of those. Now this one. I really loved this one. This was my favorite out of all of them. Oh my God. I got to smell this now. Hold on. Let that air out. Show you guys the notes here. Put it a little further back. Or put it up here. Let's do it that way. Boom. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Like, this is masculine. I wouldn't say masculine, but definitely unisex. I'm going to wear this one. I am going to wear this one. Oh my God. The amber note in here is prominent. You get the rose, you get the musk. Everything else I really don't get. The raspberry, not really. But you get that pottery, floral, earthy scent. It's not sweet. It's not really sweet like all the other ones. And this is Into the Night. Oh, y'all, I am wearing this. I'm keeping this one for myself. I might as well put this over to the side somewhere. But yes, that is fire. Let's see what else we got. All right, same one. As you can see, I kind of picked up all of the same ones. Boom, boom. Oop, I got stuff dropping everywhere. All right. There you go, Into the Night. Now this is fire. This reminds me of Burberry Touch. Yes, it does. Oh, let's go ahead and get a whiff of that now. Let the air hit it. Let the air hit it. That's what you get. Cherry. All cherry. Black, juicy cherry. Oh. Yes. I'm kind of upset now. Yeah, these two. Yeah. Yeah, these two right here, boy. Yes. Like I said, Burberry Touch. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, that is so good. But let me read the notes in here. Dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous merlot. Oh, one more time, y'all. Oh, juicy. I think that's all of them. Let's see. Oh, two of that one. Oh, I don't want to knock everything over. All right, so I doubled up. So you know what? I think I doubled up on these two because one's for me. One will definitely be for me. Yeah. So that's what I did. I got all these for the ladies and then one of these for me. And that right there are the fragrances. Or the mist sprays, I should say. So Forever Red, which is Fury Pomegranate, Red Peony, Rich Vanilla Rum, Oakwood. We have, oops. Get out the way. We have Into the Night. It's probably my favorite one. But Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. Ah. To die for. And then we have the Black Cherry Merlot. I didn't spray it in this cap. But in this one, you're going to have the Dark Cherry, the Black Raspberry, and the Sumptuous Merlot. Burberry Touch vibes, y'all. Burberry Touch. And then now, let's go ahead and move on to the candles. So now, we are on to the candles. Now, I'd never done candle shopping before, and I did comment on one person's video a while ago about not understanding why they pay so much for candles. And one person kind of reading me, they were just like, you don't understand the chemicals that go into them, and that's what we pay for this, we pay for that, blah, 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 blah. And I totally understand, too, 'cause it's the same thing with fragrances. Like, you don't know what you're putting on your skin. And the same with candles, right? You don't know what you're burning, what kind of chemicals you're putting into the air. So hopefully these are good. Some of them say they're oils, essential oils, so, you know, that's a thumbs up. But first and foremost, of course, I had to get the watermelon lemonade. What can I say? Smells exactly like it. I think what I like about this most is that I wish this came in a cologne or some type of eau de parfum. Like, this is really good, y'all. This is probably the best watermelon lemonade. Like, when I mean it lives up to its name, as soon as you smell it, you smell watermelon lemonade. Now, of course, I'm not going to light them yet. Like, I can smell it from here, y'all. I can smell it from here. Yeah, that is good stuff. That is good stuff. I'm going to set that up there. And then we have the... Oop, can you see it? The berry waffle cone. Now, this is what I meant by the essential oils. Now, I forgot. Oh, yeah, it is the candle. Okay. I thought it was just the essential oil itself, but... I don't know really what I get. Like, I don't get berry at all. I guess you can say it smells like a cone. But to me, it just smells spicy, like a pumpkin. Or some type of, like, yeah, like some type of spice, like a pumpkin spice or a sweet potato. Something like that. Like, it just smells really festive and holiday-ish. Like, it literally smells like Bath and Body Works when you walk in that thing. This is it. This is that scent. But yeah, I like that one. I still prefer this one over this one. But this was my favorite. My favorite. Oh my God. Just the name itself, like, who doesn't like strawberry pound cake? Let me take that back. I don't know if strawberry shortcake is the same as strawberry pound cake, but whatever. This is delicious. I smelled this and I said, you know what? I got to get 1 or 2 of these for myself. Strictly for myself. Ah, smells like cake. Strawberry cake batter. This is what you're going to get. Strawberry cake batter. Oh, smells like pudding. Like, it just smells like a dessert. Oh my God, this is so good. This is really good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to light one of these early. I'm sorry. Someone is not gonna be getting a candle. I'm telling you that right now. Someone's not gonna be getting a candle. That's my favorite so far. Favorite. So pretty much they're repetitive. You know, like I said, stocked up. Boom. I think this may be a different one. Black cherry Merlot. And of course, that pairs with the black cherry we have over here. If I can find it. There it is. Boom. The set. But yeah. Now it kind of smells like the spray, but this smells more like a bubble bath or something, or some type of soap, or like body wash. It doesn't really smell like the mist spray. Like the mist spray, I would wear myself, but this, yeah, not my favorite one. Still good, but I like the glass though. And look at the glass, right? It's purple. My Minnesota Vikings. You know, it's gonna sit well in one of my sister's homes, just because if they have their Viking stuff. So boom. Now this one, Twisted Peppermint, was all right. Just pepperminty, you know, minty. That's pretty much what it is, a candy cane. Really festive. Light it on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve. Get the whole house smelling like this, you know. Got the kids running around. That's what this reminds me of. It's more of a mood than anything, you know. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yeah, that was terrible, y'all. Don't do that. Boom. Then we have here the Tropical Island Bliss. I really didn't care for this one. This one just gave me, I mean, I guess like you said, it's tropical island, but to me you get coconut oil. It's pretty much it. Coconut oil. That's it. Coconut oil. I can't say that enough. If I were to compare this to a fragrance, it would probably be Creed Virgin Island water. It would most likely be that. And then the last but not least, again, my favorite scent, not my favorite candle though, cherry or black cherry Merlot. Boom. So that's pretty much the haul and the first impressions. Boom. I don't want to put the same stuff out here for you guys. Boom. And then there was one more. Black cherry Merlot. Boom. So everything right there, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed my haul and the unboxing and the first impressions. I kind of want to go into more detail about the fragrances, so you'll probably see another first impressions from me in regard to these, just because this was part of the unboxing. Oh, that's good. This almost smells oody. Oody, that's what I'm looking for. All right, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the haul. Let me know what you picked up during the holidays. I'm really interested. Like I said, I went in there single-handedly, you know, a male. Like, okay, what is everyone going to like? But they hooked me up. They gave me these tags and stuff like that, you know. So I was like, that's pretty cool. Thank you. And I guess I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with these. If y'all can help me out with that, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment. What's your favorite from Bath and Body Works? Did you do a haul? What did you pick up? Is there anything that I can do better doing these? Because like I said, it's my first time doing candles and body mist, so I'm new to this. But I hope you have a good day. Peace and blessings.